Hi friends, welcome all to Suvi Education. Today in this video we are going to learn the average shortcut tricks, okay? And we can solve this within few seconds. That is age related problems will be seen in this video. And we can move on to the session. And our first example is, so here we have the average age of 10 students in a class is 20 years. Okay, the average age of 10 students in a class is 20 years. If a new student is also included, then the new average of all the students is increased by 1 year. The age of new student is, we should find the age of the new student. And this kind of questions, just use some logic and read the questions properly to solve it step by step. Okay. And first of all, I will solve the normal method which we usually solve it, and I will come to my trick. Okay. And so the question is the average of 10 students. The average is given as 10 students. Okay. In a class is 20 years. So in a class is 20 years. And so then if a new student is also included, so plus 1 is included, so it will be 10 plus 1, 11. Then the new average of all the students is increased by 1 year. It is increased by 1 year. So 20 plus 1 year is been included. So it is 21. So 10 into 20 is 200. 11 into 21, 1 and 2, 3. 231. Okay. And so in this we will be finding the difference. 231 minus 231. So this is the normal method which we solve. Okay. You don't have to multiply in our method. You can save your time also. Okay. So the question is same as 10 students. Okay. In a class is 20 years. A new student is also included. Then the new average of all the students is increased by 1 year. And just the difference here is 1, right? 11 minus 10 is 1 and 21 minus 20 is 1. So just multiply this. Okay. So 1 into 10 is 10 plus 1 into 21 is 21. So 31. Is it easier? You see here the difference almost in every sums it will be 2 or 3. So it will be easier to multiply. If it is 35 or 37 here, that is 11 into 37 something, it will take much time to multiply also and find the difference. And here the difference easily you can find it will be 1 or 2 or more than 3. That's all. Okay. So just multiply the numbers. Numbers will be too small also. So it will be easier and you can manage up your time. And our next question is, our next example, the average weight of 20 four-wheelers is 180 kg. If an old car is removed, here an old car is removed from this group of four-wheelers, then the new average weight decreased by 2 kg. The weight of the removed car is, okay, we should find the weight of the removed car. So these are the repeated questions that has been asked in different types of competitive exams. Okay. So here we have the average weight of 20 four-wheelers is 180 kg. If an old car is removed from this 20 four-wheelers, an old car is removed, so it will be 19. And here the new average weight decreased by 2 kg, and here it is decreased by 2 kg, then it will be 178, right? Here the difference is 1 and here the difference is 2. Okay, so we'll be just multiplying 20 into 2, 40 plus 178, 8, 1, 2. Okay, 218. Okay, so here we have the answer 280. Is it easier? And within seconds we can solve this kind of questions. Just use some logics and solve it step by step. Okay. And our next question. Yeah. These kind of questions has also been repeated. And the question is, the average weight of A, B, C and D is 40 kg. Okay. A new person is included in this group. Then the average weight of the group is increased by 1 kg. Again, a new person F replaced A. Then the new average of 5 persons become 42. The average weight of B, C, D, F is. These kind of questions will be somewhat tricky. If you solve step by step, it is simple and easier. Okay. See here, the average weight of, that is A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 persons is 40 kg, right? Is 40 kg. Now the second step, this is our second step, a new person E is included in this group. So with A, B, C and D, E is also included. So it becomes 5, right? Plus 1, it will become 5. So in this group, then the average weight of the group is increased by 1 kg. So it will be increased by 1 kg. So here new person is included, that is 5, and increased by 1 kg, that is 41. So here the difference is 1 and here the difference is also 1. As same, okay, same as 4 plus 41, it is 45. This is the value of E because E is included, right? Okay, a new person E is included. So E equal to 45 because already we have the average weight of A, B, C and D is 40 kg. Okay, 4 persons, it is 40 kg. When E is included, 1 kg has been increased and it becomes 45. Is it clear? And we can move on to the next step, that is again a new person F is replaced A, then okay, F replaced A. Then the new average of 5 persons become 42. Now you see here we have A, B, C, D and E. Okay, we have A, B, C, D and E and we got the values also. Now here at the third step, F is replaced A. So here at the place of A, F is replaced. And here we have 5 persons. Here also 5 persons. Only it is been replaced. In the place of A, F is replaced. And so the new average will become 42. Yeah, new average becomes 42. So 10, 0, 1, 21. So 210 kg. Okay. So the new, that is person F is replaced. So we get for 5 persons 210 kg. Now the last step is, now the last step is the new average weight of B, C, D and F is, we should find the new average weight of B, C, D and F. But here we have F, B, C, D, but extra we have E. So the total value, that is the total average value of F, B, C, D, E is, that is A, B, C, D, E, F is 210, right? 210. So we should minus E. What is E? What is the value? The average weight, that is 45. So 45 will be minused. So 5, 6, 1, 165. Okay. So we got the average weight, the total weight of B, C, D, F. Clear? We got the total weight. Now we have to find the average. Average of how many persons? 4 persons. Okay. So 165 divided by 4. 4 persons will be getting 41 point, that is 4 4s are 16. Okay. 1 4 is 4. Remaining 1 0 2 5. So 41.25. So here we have the answer 41.25. So just use some logic and some shortcut and solve it by step. You can solve it easily and manage up your time and you will get the perfect answer. Okay. Thank you friends for watching my channel. Please do subscribe for new videos.